Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll look at how to fix a Frigidaire refrigerator and freezer unit that's not cooling. Watch the video until the end to learn how to go about this and more. Check your unit's temperature control before trying any other fixes whenever your refrigerator and freezer are not cooling. You might have accidentally adjusted the controls to higher temperature settings. The recommended temperature setting for your refrigerator is around 37 degrees Fahrenheit. However, depending on your refrigerator's location, you can have slightly higher or lower settings. Next, ensure your refrigerator and freezer are not fully packed. Overloading your freezer and refrigerator shelves may limit air circulation and, in turn, prevent cooling in some sections. Decongest and rearrange the shelves to optimize air circulation and cooling. Lastly, check your unit's door gasket to see if it's damaged. A damaged door gasket will let the cold air escape from the refrigerator, preventing cooling from taking place. Replace the door seal if it's torn or worn out. So, there you have it. That's how you fix a Frigidaire refrigerator and freezer unit that's not cooling. Thanks for watching. Till next time.